Let's talk a little bit about how to use this course effectively. So basically, these are just some tips for success here. First, pause the videos. If you find that you need additional time to understand a concept before moving on to the next one, just pause the video. Or maybe you might want to rewind the video and watch a concept explanation again or an example again. That's totally fine. If you've completed a video and you need to watch the whole thing again, that's also completely fine. Just rewatch the video. Each and every video in this course, including the ones in the introduction here, they've all got slides. So I do encourage you to print out the slides and follow along. That could be pretty helpful. And if you're watching a video that has an example problem, I strongly encourage you to try the example problem yourself after watching the video. So that's a really good way to check that you understand the flow of the concept and how to do the example problems. And this one's especially important. Do the practice exercises without looking at the solutions first. So there are a lot of practice exercises in this course, and I do encourage you to look at those and work through them, because really the best way to learn math is by actually doing it. You're really not going to effectively learn if you sit there and watch somebody else do it or just listen to somebody else explain it. You really do have to try this stuff on your own, and these practice exercises are there to help you with that. And each and every practice exercise does have a detailed solution corresponding to it, so look at those solutions after attempting the practice problems. And last but certainly not least, ask questions. So there's a Q&A forum here, and I do encourage you to ask questions there for anything that you feel stuck on or anything you might need help with.